All the learning skills in the world will not do any good if you're studying in the wrong place. Some students find they study and learn better by studying in the same place over and over and over. Other students find that they benefit more by varying the place that they study. Check it out for you and see what works best. Keep in mind, we've learned from research, when you're trying to get information from here to here, all sound will interfere, even music. Guess where the worst place on planet Earth is to study? It's anywhere you live. There are too many distractions. Phones, televisions, roommates, maybe pets, all kinds of things will interfere with your ability to learn, even if they're not happening, but they may happen. Did you know that all students get an incredible talking bed? Do an experiment one time. Go in your bedroom to study, sit down on the bed, and listen very attentively. And you will hear, "Lay down on me. Only a 5-minute nap. Just put your head down for a minute." That's not going to help you learn. So the worst place to study is anywhere you live. It's important to find a quiet place. Many college campuses have very quiet libraries, and in the upper floors of those libraries are the serious students who are going to graduate. Be like them. Another thing we have learned that it takes a human being 1 hour in the morning to learn what takes 2 hours at night to learn the same thing. So you literally can cut your study time way down by studying as much in the morning as is possible. There are different theories on places to study. See which one works best for you, studying the same place or varying your study place. Keep in mind that all sound interferes with learning, so study where it's quiet. Where's the worst place to study? Anywhere you live. Find a quiet place, free of distractions, turn off your cell phone, and study in the morning as much as possible.